will be describing PixelLab for you guys. So let's open PixelLab. This is the interface. So let me point at this place for you guys. So this is where we have our saved works on PixelLab. Let me open it. My project, you can see the works that has been done on PixelLab. This is not going to save on the gallery. So this is just going to save on PixelLab. It has a way you can save it on your gallery too. So I'm going to show you that. Well, you can either save on PixelLab or you save on your gallery, and you can do both, save on your PixelLab and save on your gallery too. So let me back it. So this is just a default background, so you can change the background to any background you like. Let me point to this A here. That's where we have our text tools. If you want to type anything in your design, that's where you go, you type. Let me go there for you guys to see. You see, it's because a text has already been selected. That's why it's bringing edit here. Do you get my point? So let's say that the text is not selected now. You see what we have. We have text, we have quotes. So you go to text, then you're going to have different kind of different kind of tools that you can use to edit your text, from edit to delete to copy to front to back, position if you want to position your text, relative position to use to position text. We have size to increase the size of your text. We have padding, we have color for coloring your text. We have texture, we have opacity, we have rotate to rotate your text. We have mask, we have font to change your text font. We have style to bold to italicize. There's where you go. We have curve, we have background, we have align to align your text. We have spacing, we have line spacing, we have stroke, we have shadow, we have inner shadow, we have emboss, we have perspective, we have 3D rotate, 3D text, 3D shadow, we have reflection. So these are all tools that you can make use of with your text. So let's go to the third one here. This is actually for let me say shapes, for pictures. You see, we have stickers, we have import. That's where you go to import your picture from your gallery. We have draw if you want to draw anything. We have shapes, we have bezier, we have arrow. So let's go to the fourth one here. Is actually used for background, to set background. So if you want to change the color of your background, so this is where you come to color. If you want to make your background to become transparent, so you come to transparent. The image size, so you may want to design business cards, so you have to change the image size. So this is where you go. If you want to crop image from gallery, so from camera too. So that's that. So the fifth one here, it's not really of importance, yeah. So this is what we have there too: rotate, figment, noise, stripes, brightness, contrast, hue, saturation. So let's go to the top tools that we have. We have some tools at the top here. Let me start with this. This plus here is used to add a picture or an image from your gallery. So we have something like pencil here too. That pencil, I'm coming. This place here, so it's used for text. And if you want to delete anything, that's when you can make use of this one too. So use it to delete any selected thing. So here is to undo. If you want to undo, use it to undo. Then here is to zoom. This place is to zoom. It's used for zooming. Here too is used to align the lines properly. You use it to align your let me say the elements of your design. Use it to align them properly, the lines, shapes, text. You will get to know how to use it in our classes. And here is for you to see the breaking down let me say the breakdown of your designs, the breakdown of your designs. Here is to save. So this is where you save on your PixelLab as project, or you save to your gallery as image. So this one too is used to share. So that's just basically the description of the tools that we have on PixelLab. So uh, make sure that you know them better. So because we are going to be making use of them in our designing classes, we are going to be making use of these tools. So they are what we will design with. Thank you.